Hey, what is going on, guys? It is Patrick here, and today bringing you guys a little update video. I know I've been bringing you a lot of updates recently, and I kind of hate to be doing that, but this is very, very important. So today is Saturday the 21st, and I woke up today and I played a 2-box roll challenge with Mr. Dave the Rave. Now we did that, we finished it, and it was a pretty good series, and I'm going to be uploading to my channel at a later date. But after that, he was like, you know, I still need some more content for my channel. You want to do another one on Mob of the Dead? And I was like, I love Mob of the Dead. I would be happy to. So we did that, guys. And I'm not telling you what happens, but I'm telling you it is probably the best zombies challenge on that I've ever done before. It was intense. It was epic. It was really, really, really good. The first 30 minutes or so are a little slow because we're just setting up, so I'm going to upload that as one bulk thing, and then there's going to be like 10 or 12 episodes after that. It's going to be really, really good. That's going to be coming to you Christmas Day starting off. Now, before that, though, tomorrow I am doing Shinonuma. You're going through all the zombies maps. I'm going to be doing Shinonuma with, what's his face, Adam, 2 Pro for your games. So expect that probably tomorrow. I'm going to be doing that. It's going to be pretty good. We're going to be going for a high round on that map, hopefully. So like I said, guys, I got a ton of zombie content for you coming soon. I'm probably going to end up doing, there's going to be a lot of days where I have two videos in one day just because I have so much content for you right now. It's going to be really, really good. I'm just so excited. That was like the most fun game of zombies I've had in such a long time. We just had that zombie feel going on, and it was just amazing. So look forward to that. Awesome Mob of the Dead episode Christmas Day. And before that, you'll see some Shinonuma with 2 Pro for your games. Anyways, guys, I'll talk to you later.